Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. This is the Python mentor here, helping you master Python step by step. In today's lecture, we're going to continue learning about object-oriented programming. Now, in this lecture here, we're going to learn about hiding data, how to encapsulate data. And when I talk about encapsulation here, I mean keeping the data safe inside the class, right? So the way that we do this in Python, all right, and this is more of a Python doesn't actually enforces this type of things. It doesn't force you to actually use it. We're using it more as a convention, as, hey, listen, you are a good developer, you should know about this, right? So we all good developers use this convention, all right? So it's just basically something that we all do, right? So all we have to do is put this 2 underscores in front of this attribute. And that's it. That will make it private. Now, if I wanted to access this outside, I'll show you right now in a minute that this won't be available anymore the way that it used to be, right? So right now you can see that my editor here, Visual Studio Code, is making this grade. It's grading this. It's giving it a different color because it's not available anymore, all right? It's private. So let's go ahead and change all this where we are actually using it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and update this like this, and let's do it here. Everywhere we got balance, and I'll show you right now. I can actually do this in my editor. Replace, and I can go ahead and replace cell balance with cell balance underscore, just like that. Okay. There we go. They all changed now. All right. Perfect. All right. So now, if I wanted to access this right here, all right, I'm not able to. But if I try to do this, if I do, let's get the balance, right? You can see that, we don't refer to it as balance anymore. It's underscore, underscore. So let's say right now I wanted to use it. So I would do underscore, underscore, balance. Watch this. Oops, that is huge. Clear, and let me make this a little smaller. Sorry about that. If I do this, you can see it says bank account object has no attribute underscore balance. Did you mean show balance, right? So it doesn't even come out, right? It's not available anymore. Now, if I do this, of course, right? You can see that, well, I'm using it all over the place. So yeah, let's just do this way. All right. So if I wanted to access this, what I could do is I could create, and that's what we should do by convention, is create what we call a getter. So a getter is just a method that is going to get a values for us. It's going to get something out for us, something that's mostly private. So I'm going to say return self underscore, underscore, balance, just like that. And now, instead of try to access the balance directly from that object, what I can do is access the method, get balance, just like that. Okay? So now, if I try printing this out, you can see that it says, hey, the balance is 5,000 for Maria. Really awesome stuff, right? Let me clear this out. Let me see if I don't have any issues anymore. And you can see now no more issues. All right. So remember, creating a getter, all right, is the way to go with private data. And all you have to do is put this underscores in front of the, attribute, and you have yourself a private data. All right. Some private data. But that's it for this lecture. Really, it's not much to it. All right, we're going to keep, focusing on this little topics, but we're going to keep getting better and better, or should I say, lectures are going to get more complex as we progress. I'll see you guys on the next lecture.